Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to reply to an email in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger webmail account and then click on the email message that you receive or the one that you want to reply to. Let's open this first email. As you see, it was sent from this Gmail account to my Hostinger email message. Now to reply to this message, you can either click on reply and you can write your reply here, then click on send. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And this is your reply. You will see a reply icon next to it. If this message was sent to you plus other people on the same time, instead of using this reply, you can go with reply all to reply to this email message, to this first email message, and the other email addresses used of the group. And this is how to reply to an email in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.